do something, anything. We often see business owners who are afraid to act or feel that small fixes will not impact their business. Nothing can be further from the truth. Many times owners want things fully laid out. This is not always possible. Would you rather have a crew go to a job with 75% of the scope of work versus nothing? We believe that something is better than nothing. Doing nothing never works. Small problems just become bigger problems. Small changes can have a major impact. Franklin Roosevelt once wrote, "There are many ways of going forward, but there is only one way of standing still." FDR understood that action was the first step in change for the better. Whether it's addressing your employees' morale, a new accounting software, or recent safety concerns, when a problem arises, move to action. Do your homework. Collaborate with others. Break the problem down into small pieces. Address each piece one at a time. New solutions create new opportunities. Not only will this lead to positive change, it will empower others to do the same. Soon you will see that the problem is not as large as you once thought. And through small actions, big changes can easily come about. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.